guys.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
Oh, I'm
Oh,
okay.
I'm fine. Thank you. What about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Maybe today I will discuss about Corona because did you know in Bekasi, Corona rate is very high, but mostly people don't want to obey the protocol.
Oh, really? In my area, it's also a bit high. Yesterday, I was also positive.
Wow.
Finally, I'm 10 days of self-isolation.
Wow. If the corona condition in Pekanbaru is currently still relatively high because the population is quite dense and economic needs are increasing.
Wow. For me, it's already gone down, but the new variant is just about to jump.
Is that Omicron right? People around me are always shy about sore throat.
Yeah, so there is it. A sore throat is one of the leading symptoms of Omicron. How about Anin?
Yeah, I'm not feeling well right now, but that is fine. I was test yesterday and the result is not corona. Guys, can you give me some tips to stay healthy during this pandemic?
Sure, but Alhamdulillah, that was not Corona, right? I think the most important thing is about body immunity, drink vitamin, and keep watch about health protocol if you are outside of the house. And don't be overwhelmed about assignment because it will affect to your immune.
And don't forget to wash your hands with soap in running water wherever you are, at least when you enter the room or when you leave the room. I hope that the COVID-19 pandemic will end soon so we can return to our normal activities.
Sure.
That's right. You need to rest a lot. If the result is positive, it's not good. Yesterday, the flu and sinus not good for studying too.
True. Now I'm comfortable study with this condition.
So keep following the health protocols and try if you don't have an urgent need, don't leave the house. I hope that the COVID-19 pandemic will end soon so we can return to our normal activities.
Sure.
All
It's
right.
true.
Thanks for the tip, guys.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're welcome.
Welcome.
Okay. You're welcome.
Your condition will be better. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you too. Thank you.